So my name's Harvey Sandu. I've been in property for about 7 years now, and I joined the academy in January. So I've learned about BRRs, which I've already done that in the past, so just cemented my knowledge in BRRs. I've learned about what was interesting is commercial valuation. I didn't really know much about that, but how you could get a commercial property and put a more credible tenant in there, and how you can increase the value about that. I've also been looking at short leases. So I've Russell went through short leases as well, short lease extensions, and that was good to know about short lease extensions as well.
Great. And what's the team been like?
Very helpful. So you can sit down with mentor anytime. I've got a mentor call with Sue. I've had one with a couple of other mentors earlier in the week as well. So anytime you want a meeting, you can get one as well. It's really good.
Great. And would you recommend this to someone?
Definitely. It's more for the knowledge is excellent, but for me, what I'd recommend the academy is how many like-minded people are in one room at the same time. I've got a bunch of friends. I love them to bits, but when you want to do business and sit down, they're not. Some of them are on that wavelength, but not all of them. So it's good to be in a room where there's this many people that are driven.